Yeah, just dropped the running board on this Tahoe because it's got some issues under here that need to be addressed. So I'm going to drop this other side also. It hurts. Okay, got the other running board off this side. Then of course, you know, bolts look like this. And you end up breaking a couple of them. So now I gotta get that out of there. Yeah, and then there was another one that broke off under here. So anyway, at least now I can get to the stuff under here because it needs work also. Yeah. Of course, you know, this is stuff that you don't see. So, yeah, you know, jobs just grow and grow. Started grinding the rust off of the front driver's side or front left side door. Yeah, look at that. All that metal right there is just gone. Yeah. Alright, this is where I'm at on the Tahoe. I don't know if you can see back in there, but I got some 415 and some spots. I got some one-step rust converter in other spots. Like right there, this one-stop rust converter. All along here. On the bottom of the door. That's one-stop rust converter on the outside. Pried this lip back, scraped and ground rust behind there. Got that all pour 15'd. As you can see, I still need to hammer the lip back down tight. Same thing over here. Oh, it's probably hard to see. But pried it back all the way around the edge. Pour 15'd it real good. Really not sure how I'm gonna go about doing that right there yet. But got all those done. Still gotta do something with this mess right here. And I'm debating about welding a piece in or something, because that's messed up all the way over to there, and of course that's missing a big chunk. I don't know yet. I need to fill a little bit in right there. Still got to get to this. I still need to do under this. So I told him it'd probably be like next week sometime, but I don't know. Now my boss just called me and he's got more work in the body shop, so trying to get this so it'll show up on the video. That's all pour 15 in there. Like I said, I'll have to hammer that lip back tight. Probably take care of that dent and scratches right there. There's more rust spots that I need to take care of up here. It's one step, let's pour 15 there. Under there also is pour 15. Where I gotta put my filler on to fill some holes. Because he doesn't want to spend a lot of time and money on it right now, so that's how it's getting done.